Welcome to the B.E.G exhibition stand. I'm standing in front of the Medical Practice Application Board from the office complex. A top view of a small medical practice is shown. In the rear area you can see two treatment rooms. Here the waiting area, here in front right the reception area with the entrance door. The small corridor leads to two toilets, and here in the middle you can see a laboratory. The simulation shows that there are various areas that can be made even more energy efficient by using sensors. Our PD11 can be used very elegantly for this purpose. Its special feature is that it has very flat lens for an inconspicuous appearance. This means that the sensor and technology are completely invisible. With DALI-LINK and a DALI line, other central functions can also be implemented. For example, when cleaning staff come in the morning, a key switch can be used to create a uniform lighting scene so that all rooms are brightly lit. When the work is done, the key switch is flipped back and the normal lighting control system is activated, where the light is switched on as soon as a person enters a room and is switched off again when nobody is left in the room. Another useful function, when the last person leaves the practice at the end of the day, he or she can press a central switch, which switches off the entire lighting.